Good day, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam Sir. I'm Marilyn Mexico, 32 years old, single mother. I have 1 kid and he's 12 years old. I'm high school graduate.
Do you have working experience as a domestic helper?
Yes, Ma'am, Sir. I have experience in Malaysia for 2 years. I worked there at the year of April 15, 2011 to April 30, 2013. I take care of 1 child. He's 17 years old. And I had experience too in Singapore for 6 years. I worked there and I work in 1 employer. I finished my contract. I take care of 3 kids. They are 17, 16, and 11 years old.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
I do chores like I wash clothes, iron, I do car wash, do marketing, I do running errands and others.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby, and elderly?
I cook for them. I make sure that they are clean, healthy, and I serve them as my own family.
Please tell us some of your skills.
I can do housework, like I can cook food, Filipino food, Chinese food, some Western food, and I'm willing to learn more.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Madam Sir, it is necessary to be hardworking, God-fearing, honest, and fast learner.
Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
I promise to finish my contract in 2 years.
Thank you and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.